Hey, this is Dave, and I wanted to welcome you to video number 10. We're going to be talking to you about lead generation strategies that make money online. And this is the final video number 10 of how to build your affiliate site. Now, before we get started into this video, I want to just kind of recap back on the getresponse.com. Go ahead and log into your getresponse.com, and I'm actually going to show you how to add an attachment. When you log in, you're going to come to this dashboard right here, and you're going to come over to the up onto the menu, and you're going to go down to files and images. Okay, now you're going to upload. Remember last video we spoke about the your YouTube guide. So you purchase that on the plrstore.com if you chose to purchase something like that, and you're going to go ahead and add a new folder. You're going to you're going to upload a file. So you're going to upload a file, okay, and come on over here, hit add files, and you're going to either import it from a URL or pick it up from your computer, okay? And then what you do is I've already uploaded something right here. Let me get rid of this here. Okay. And so now I've already uploaded this 8 cheat sheets, just something I wanted to do. So you copy the URL, okay? And then, so right here, copy URL, sorry, right there. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on this menu right here, go over to here to menu, and I'm gonna go into automation. Oh, not webinars. Got a really touchy mouse right now. So automation, okay. And now I've done a few different things here, but the workflow is the free mastery guide, the automation messages, okay. Now I've actually done something a little bit differently here, and I will show you. Here's my automation message all done. So I'll click on this right here, okay. And this is my title, okay, the to and from email, and click on edit message. And here's the message that I actually put together here, okay. Now I've got something different that I'm giving away. It's a download a free report, but if wherever in your email, just go like this here and click on that. And this is where you would drop the URL in right there. Okay. And as you can see, it's a get response email. Okay. Now I'm not going to do that. So that, folks, is how you attach a file to your email so you can give that away. Okay. So let me go ahead and get out of here. And you're going to hit next. Okay. And you're going to hit update. All right. Now what I did here is I created on my Snap Online Business, I created a different opt-in. Okay. And I've got it right here. And I've also got it in the posts right there as well. Now what happens is if you go and hit in Dave at getsurvivalskills.com, get immediate access, you're going to come to this right here. Congratulations, you've been registered. Check your email for the free mastery guide. Okay. And then what I do here is I like doing the thank you page. While you wait for the email, check out how to rank free videos on YouTube and Google within 24 hours. So download your free video checklist. And guess what? I've got an affiliate that I put right there. So you can attach any kind of an affiliate program. You know, and as I said, if you want to check this out, go ahead to snaponlinebusiness.com, you know, walk through the whole funnel. You can see how it works, but that's how that works. That's the automated message, and that's the workflow. Now, what I'm going to do is come back over here to forms and surveys and the Snap Online Biz posts. Okay. This is where I did everything right here. So I changed the form around a little bit. And as I said, you know, you can just grab text, drag it over here, not a big deal. Now the thank you page, which I didn't show you, is right up here. Okay. So the thank you page, you want to make sure you build that out and have kind of an idea what you want to do. And if you want to, get kind of an idea, as I said, you can have a look at the snaponlinebusiness.com, use an idea similar to that, or just start Googling different businesses within your niche. If you're running a nutrition business, I mean, this doesn't work for you, nutrition. If you're running a travel site, whatever you want to do, just grab some different sites in your niche and you'll be able to see quite a bit. But in here, you just unlock, and then when you're done, you just hit publish. Okay, just like that, folks. Now, one thing I want to show you here is how to build a landing page. And landing pages, you can do all this on your trial. And if you decide you want to pay for it, go for it. But if you want to create a landing page, it's a full page and you've got all these different templates, okay, that you can search for. But for speed and time, I want to show you one that I put together right here. So you pull up this one right here, folks. And you can go ahead and edit it. Now, this is just a complete, I'm not using this landing page, but I just wanted to show you how to do it. Again, it's a thank you page, so you can edit it, do whatever you want to do on that. And then next step. Okay, so you put the name of the title. I don't want it indexed by the search engines right now because this is just something I'm just kind of playing around with here. Choose the list. Okay, and publish it. And then the nice thing about this is you can click on manage your landing page and you've got a link right here. Oh, I had a really touchy mouse today. Okay, there we go. And then you've got yourself a link, okay? And so there it is right there. All right, and you can go ahead and edit it. Now, if you wanted to use this as a separate page, as a exclusive page for just keeping people focused, where you didn't want to send them to the website, sometimes this is an easier way to build an email list. But here's the thing: once you've built your money site, and here's what I want to do. I want to recap a little bit here. So you're being in the at the end of this course that I wanted to train you on here. You should have a few things in place. Number one, your affiliate site. You've built out your affiliate site. You've with all the plugins, that's all been done. Number two, you're adding good content to it. Okay. Number three is you're monetizing it. Now, in the monetize section, we talked about media.net, ClickBank, ClickFunnels. There's a lot of different affiliate programs that you could use for monetize. The next thing is sharing your content on Pinterest. Remember, we showed you how to set up a business account for Pinterest. You're going to share that content on Pinterest. And then all those visitors that you're going to start accumulating on Pinterest are going to come right back to your affiliate site. And then when they're on your affiliate site, they're going to do a few different things. Number one, they might click on some links and you're going to make some money through media.net. Number two, they might click on a banner and get into one of the affiliate programs. And the third thing they might do is they might join your email list. And if they join your email list, that's bonus, because now you can email people different offers on a timely basis. After that, so you're sharing content, you're building your email list, opt-ins on posts. You can use a landing page if you like. When you're ready, the last secret to this whole affiliate site is adding in YouTube. Okay, now with this YouTube, you can start a new channel. It's free. You can just set up a Gmail account, set up a free YouTube account, and you can use Zoom. Zoom is free. This is all I'm using right now. It's just a free service called Zoom. Doing some basic editing before and afterwards, but just going ahead and using Zoom. But if you want to learn more about the YouTube, definitely head over to the snaponlinebusiness.com. Go ahead and opt into my opt-in page there. Right here. Let me just show you here. So you can do it, get over to there and just put your name, your email in there for free, and you'll get access to the email, or the YouTube system that I use. But that's it, folks. So just to kind of recap, you've got your affiliate sites, you've got your content, you've got monetizing it, you're sharing it on Pinterest. People are going back and they're buying offers, they're clicking on banners, they're joining your email list, and you're building your list and you're making money. That's the most important thing. And if you really want to kick it into high gear, add it on, share it on YouTube. This business works. So many people want to complicate things. They want to complicate things. And they said, you need to do Facebook ads or solo ads. And they start just making things way too tough. If all you do is, create one of these affiliate sites and just use organic traffic, okay, which is just Pinterest and maybe YouTube. And one thing I forgot to tell you here on this is by doing your basic SEO, finding your keywords. Remember, we talked about that back in one of the earlier videos. You're going to start ranking your post content on the front page of Google and other search engines. So folks, this business works really well, but it's been a pleasure working with you and training you. Keep track of this channel because we're going to be adding other videos from time to time and working on other trainings. But for now, thank you for going through the 10 video series and have a good day. Thank you.